We'll guide you through how to upload images to Roblox. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you're in a situation of where you need to go and use an image in Roblox somewhere and so you want to go and upload it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So, make sure this full guide to exactly what you need to do. Don't skip anything as you may go and miss something important. So, to go and get started with this, you do need to come into a web browser. So, I use Google Chrome. You could use Edge or another browser. And then what you need to do is you need to come to roblox.com and you can go and sign into your Roblox account. You can see here I'm signed in. After you've signed in, what you then need to do is come to the top of Roblox and you need to go and find the create option in the header. Click there and that will bring you to create.roblox.com. Now, what you need to do is come over to the left and you can go and find the option for creations. You can then go to the top and you want to go and find the option for development items like so. Now, what you can do is we've got the option for decals and images. So, in this case, you can go and see here that images can only be generated by the system. So essentially an image is known as a decal. So you want to go and click decals and you can scroll down here and we can then upload images to use as decals in your creations. So what we can do is go and see the requirements. Maximum files is 1 at a time. The format is JPG, PNG, TGA, or BMP. And the max size per file is 20 megabytes. So we can press upload asset. Press upload and we can then go and find what we're going to do this with. You can select it and press open. There it is. Now you can go and give this a name. And next you can go and add a description as well. And if you're ready, you can then go and press upload at the bottom. Now you can go and wait. And there it is. You can press the 3 dots in the top right and you can go and get the ID or open up the asset details. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.